Yo, come. Hey, yo.
Shit's crazy, huh?
Yo, who the fuck is up there shooting? Hey, what should I do to you, man? What should I do to you, man?
Now, stupid bitch.
Yeah, stupid bitch. Be mad, stupid bitch. Yeah, stupid bitch.
Say so, bitch.
Say so, bitch. You so strong. You a strong man. Hey, Tom Banks, you so strong. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, it was like four of them. It was like four of them. Two was in the graveyard, and four went over the trees. The grass.
Oh, so
What'd you say?
Yo, I'm at the World Cup fan, bro. God, that
It's like, don't piss me off today. I don't got time for you. You leave some my worries.
Gagi, may namamaril din doon. Pinapahinga din ako eh. Ano po? Mga green?
That's cool.
So,
La orden del commander, la rafa acató la orden cuando tengo que aturarle un chingo de parche.
I was not trying to shoot you. I'm gonna come back and shoot you now. I was just hanging out.
Whatever you said, bro. How you gonna say you come in Walk of Fame? You sound stupid, my boy. How you gonna come here
Nigga, I
when
do
you're
the
not
smoke
ready
with
to?
that dark
Yo,
ass
yo, yo,
shit
yo,
up,
yo.
nigga.
Don't kill, don't kill. Why you
Fuck,
always be shooting?
because bro, that's Walk of Fame. How you gonna tell?
Now we're trying to like be together, guys. Nah, because like everyone says they have better aim, and technically I'm doing a video on YouTube that I'm trying like a girl's outfit for like a couple of hours.
Mm. Yo, just
Nah, I'm
watch your
not
back
playing
every
out.
time, buddy. I don't feel
But they
safe
kind of
around you,
have
bro.
better aim. They have better aim. I'm just gonna go change my clothes and then come back, okay?
If you,
Alright, but add me.
I got you.
Later.
Damn. Golly. Yeah, he's talking about making some video on TikTok. Yeah, I got one too. It's level A, but he's trash anyway. Me too, gang. The same thing. I buy that shit. I thought I was AK. Wait, let me see your car. You say it costs 18 mil. Yeah, I know. I know every car's gang. I know. I know. Yo, this one costs 5 mil. 5 mil. Yeah, it's 10 mil. But why did you buy two the something car? Bro, you good? Wha- Bro, how you gonna buy, bro? Man, you tripping, gang. Where you buy them or you get them from the case? Golly, man, you got you. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You be tripping, gang. How you gonna buy the same cars though? You don't got something else to spend money on? I mean, yo, I know something. If you got a really money, if you got good money, gang, I know what can give you good money. If you got a lot of money though. Listen, you can just sell them and buy apartments and don't even live in. Just rent. Yeah, don't even live in that apartment.